even though you will be adding few articles, okay, through to mainly, still few articles the page number will be missing, volume number will be missing, issue number will be missing, DOI number will be missing. Even I can find few articles. Most nearly 90 plus percentage of reputed journals like Elsewhere, Springer, Taylor and Francis, Wiley, Emerald, Sage, these are all the publications. Not much issues were there, but other journals were having these kind of issues. Even though if you are having some issues, but that article is more relevant to your research work, that article helped you more for your research work, you must include that article. While you are including this article, you can see if you are going through the article, then only you can add those articles. See, without reading any articles or without downloading any articles, without going through any articles, I will not add such articles to my article, to my the newly prepared article. Okay, so the earlier downloaded article is there, right? In this article itself you will be having the volume number, issue number, page number you can find, due number will be there. So these options you can able to find over there. So if you want more, you want to add that article easily, you can uh, do it manually also. You can do it manually also. Okay. So the mainly finds relevant papers. So there is a mainly library is also there, and mainly search option is also there. You can search articles, you can download articles, you can search by open access. So free journals, just you can open it and you can download it. Such option is also there. Okay. Then you can easily import papers from various other sources. You can just drag and drop easily. Can it will be added to your library. Okay. Then access your papers from anywhere online. So this is how you have to create an account. This is how it looks, and you have to. What I will suggest is try to use the email ID which you have used for elsewhere. Elsewhere, Scopus, all these belongs to same groups. Okay, mainly. So try to use a single mail ID for all these things, all these accounts. Don't create for every like for elsewhere. Don't create a separate account. I think Scopus both were same, but for mainly don't create a separate account. Okay. They'll be sending an email ID to your inbox, and you have to confirm it. Then you have to give few information that you are a student or a professor, and then finally you have to confirm it. So this is how the mainly search options will be there. You can find few options in the top menu, right? Feed, library, suggest groups. These options were currently in the bottom. Okay. Only I think one or two menu were in the top, and this is the feed options. So these options were currently not there in mainly. This feed option is not there. This is kind of a Facebook post. I think you'll be sharing for an example LinkedIn post, right? Some article may be published, you'll be sharing to our connections. So similar kind of feed options were there earlier. And when the first time when you click the library option, so two options will be there. One is mainly web importer and another one is mainly desktop. I think few researchers or few participants they'll be using the like WhatsApp desktop, right? Similar kind of tool is the mainly desktop and mainly web importer. So okay, will be it's kind of a plugin. Okay, it's kind of a Chrome extension. It's a kind of a Chrome extension. Just I click install now, it will be taking to this website and it will mention that get web importer for Chrome. When you click this option, I think see you can do it in this way or directly go to Chrome extension, just search mainly and you can add it. Okay, whatever, see, because some faculty members, they may be from disciplines like computer science, IT, they may be more familiar with these extensions. You can do on your own. It's not an, uh, it's like not kind of a mandatory steps you have to follow in these procedures. Okay, you need to install that. Okay, these extensions should be added to your Chrome, and click add to Chrome and add extensions, and see here the Mentoring web importer has been added to the Chrome extension. Then when you click the library option, you'll be having you can add it, you can create various folders, you can organize it. A lot of features were available, and you can this is you can organize it. Okay, download mainly desktop. You can have these options. Okay, the first thing is when you're clicking the add option, you can import document like kind of a PDF file, or you can just one second. I think some chats were there. I'll have a look. Any query? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So there is a add option. So here you can import document, you can create some folders, you can import RIS. See, RIS files will be like RIS files will be when you open a Google Scholar account, and if you are searching some keyword and you will be finding some articles, right? When you click the cite option, you will be having some five referencing styles like MLA, PH Chicago, Harvard. So in the bottom of that open window, that if you click, there will be like web text, RIS, another uh, links will be there. When you click this RIS, and if you're dragging and dropping here, it will be added. The article details will be added over here. But the issue is what you know, if you're taking article from Google Scholar, some articles DOI number, if you're dragging and dropping here, the DOI number is added automatically. But some article, the DOI number is not added. Okay. So if you are, so that issues were there. That issues were there in mainly also. Okay. Mainly, see, other than DOI numbers, no issues were there in any tools. But for some articles, the DOI number will be available. Some articles, the DOI number will not be available. Then you can create various folders. You can create some new groups. Okay. These are all based upon your research work, based upon your keywords, based upon your theme, based upon your in-depth like chapters, your PhD chapters. You can separate and you can add more number of articles, which is more relevant to these themes. You can create a group. I have just created a folder name precast. Okay. So I added some five articles. This is few favorite options and your own publications and recently added. These are all like options. Okay, just see. Now I am sharing about the uh, sharing these presentations, but whatever we are learning here, we'll be seeing in live also later after this. Okay. Then this is how the current mainly website looks. So most of the options were similar, and mainly viewer is there. So currently now also mainly viewer option is there. You can select the test, you can have pan mode, sticky notes, highlights. So these features were available because earlier days many researchers they download more number of articles, they read using highlighter, they mark some points, they take some notes. But now all those features were available in online using this mainly viewer options. See, just I have highlighted this line and I mentioned as software. I have mentioned as software. See now similar kind of uh, in the sticky notes, if in the same articles I may be having like software one, software two, like I'm going to do some review on some 50-30 articles, like what are the softwares they have used for analysis, so that I can get some idea. See, these kind of sticky notes, highlights options will be more helpful to many researchers. Then you can create a new group also. See, I went to IIT Roorkee, I think in the year 2018. A faculty currently in IIT Delhi, and his other colleagues were currently faculty members in various IITs. Okay, so they all together what they have been doing is that uh, having some kind of a group meetings. Okay, all together around some 25 members because all were from the same research groups. Okay, nearly 25 plus people. They have. So later when I was discussing, they were mentioning they have WhatsApp groups. Okay, as well as they have groups like this mainly also, so that if someone article is they have been published, they're sharing over here. At the same time, whatever the research or some results, okay, in their lab, if they're finding, they're adding in that group also, because somebody may be for the research they may be doing other research works like analytical or numerical other parts of the research work, and they can collaborate for the search purpose. These kind of groups will be helpful. If you're individual researchers, these groups will not be much helpful. You can have this group in various three options like public, invite only, or private. So first, when you are creating, starting, you can put public, and you can prepare all your group, your ID, and you can make your profile good. Then you can make it as a everything in the public options. Just we created a sample group in the name of structural engineering. You can edit it with engineering collaborations and various options. And this is the group named Coach Scholar. So this is the overview and group admin is Mr. Rahul Pratap Singh, and they have shared few data. Their group members. You can see these are all the group members. These are all the group members, and these are the documents like kind of an article which is published. You can see here the articles were published in Journal of Management and Management Value and Ethics. Then other profiles, your personal profiles like your name, email ID, all these informations were their research interest. Then I want to add some of my own published article to Mendeley. Okay. See here, my Scopus name just I have added here like Daniel C my institute name. So automatically it has been taken my own article. Okay, just I have clicked it's me and all my articles were added to this Mendeley profile. So automatically makes new publication visible on my profile. So if I think recently one more recently published article were been added here also. Okay. Then peer review activity like if you are a peer reviewer in some of the journals. See here always keep in your mind some of the groups like elsewhere other uh, elsewhere publications or Scopus indexed articles. So all these informations easily those data were added in mainly. But the Web of Science group article citations, because see here they are having some separate citation counts. In Scopus they are having separate citation count. Even in various websites they are like having separate citations and other metrics counts. Okay. So what I will suggest is try to follow like some your metrics or citations, everything in a single website. For an example, in Google Scholar is more than enough. All your information, like what are the articles who have been cited, all the informations. Okay, then your recent publication, professional experience. And even currently, the suggest options were not there, and data sets. So this is one of the important tool currently helping many researchers. See, earlier days, you'll be doing some research work in your lab. You may be having some 200 to 300 samples for an example. But only 100 you will be publishing in some journals. But rest 200 will be wasted. Why? Because there may be some error or some results may not be good. Okay, due to various reasons, you may not publishing the such data. But what happened is currently you maybe get some good results, bad results, or that results may not be helpful to you. Whatever it may be, share that results in these data sets so that see you may be doing some mistakes and you have done some testing, but the same mistakes will not be done by somebody in future. See, relevant to my research work, I have a device that is a mechanical device. Okay, so what suddenly I thought is like I can manufacture this device in a lightweight material like nylon material. I have done testing results where there everything is good. Okay, because I am working in relevant to like some for earthquake engineering. But for me it is good. But for mechanical applications, I cannot use that lightweight device because due to some thermal and other issues were there. Okay, but still, what are all the issues were there? Also, I have mentioned in the conclusion part, so that someone can take that as a problem and they can solve it like lightweight material without like heat resistant or thermal resistant. There may be some material they can use it. Okay, so whether it is a good results or bad results, try to add your data in these data sets. It will be also helpful to create more number of citation. Okay, I think here you can find incoming data. Various you can find many number of data in our data. So when you are start uploading the data itself, automatically the citations will be created. Citations like cite this database details will be created. Okay, this is just a click this incoming data load data in Malaysia. So they have provided various data files. You can see here incoming profile data in Malaysia text file and incoming profile data that is also in text file. Okay. Then if you want to add your own informations like damper results, description, data, you have to add all these informations. Okay. Then institutional name, category of the data. steps to reproduce, all this information you have to provide it. See, this is like data sets mainly. I think in live when I'm sharing, I think you'll be understand a little bit easily. And career options, what I will suggest is most of the companies like Shine and various companies, they are sharing their research and other positions over there in this career options. You can search by various like locations, various disciplines. Okay. So personal information, like in your profile, you can have it. Your name, email ID, phone number, all the informations, your contract, your designations, your decide salary, all this information in the career option you can add it. You can add your CV even, your skills. This is how it looks finally when you're downloading. So there are few other options where also you can find nearly 65,000 jobs were there for. Uh, the, see, you have to search for your relevant disciplines. Okay. The next funding informations, I think now currently funding information is also not there. So I'll move on. So yeah, this is about the web modality. This we'll be seeing in live. Yeah, you will see live now. 1 second. My face. See the first thing when you're adding the web importer. So this is the extension. You can see here mainly web importer is there. And this is, for example, this is maybe one of the article that may be more relevant to your research work. Just click Medley web importer, okay, and click your adding to library or various other headings. So I'll add to library, click add. Okay. So now this may be the search options. I think search will be seeing it later. So now I'm going to search in the library. The article title is an experimental study on. I think you can able to see here recently added an experimental study, all the information like volume number, issue number, page number, all informations were added. Suggestions. I think paid articles can also be added without paying. Yeah, you can add it. You can add any articles. I think I will complete. Then you can have a few question answers. Yeah. See this article I have added, and it does it added to the library. Okay, you can have video number, all information, ISS number, everything is over there. Okay, now click all reference. There's this tag options were there. You can use this tag options. For an example, now I'm adding this tag as uh, August UTST, okay, for this article. I'll close it. And for one more article here, 1 second. These type of tags were like kind of an sorting option. Okay, sort options will be there, right? So such options only this tag and other options will be helpful. 1 second. Annotations you can have it. You can have kind of a notebook. Click new page and you can add it. Okay. So these files were having a PDF file. Files available for download. So just click here. Sorry. When you click these files, it will be taking to the Mendeley viewer. So for an example, this may be the article. So I'm planning to highlight the abstract. Okay. Just highlighting. And here I may be clicking and I may be adding some comments. I will be adding some comments. So these data, these things will be saved here. If you're taking print also, these data will be saved. So that how we do take some printing, because I think my master's or PhD starting, I want more number of articles, like huge book, two books, kind of a big pillows. I have been taken printouts. Okay. So now you don't have to take such printouts. You can study, refer, take notes, have some sticky notes, all these things in this online. If you want, because some there, if you don't like any color, you can change it. For zoom, you can zoom it. Download, you can download it. So all features were available currently. Just close this all articles. When I click this add new option, files from computer, manual entry, or from any library like BigText, RAS, anything. Now I'll go to Google Scholar and I will try to add one article. So consider this article. Okay, 1 second. When I click this site option, bottom you can find big text EndNote Roughman, right? Click Roughman. It has been downloaded here. Just click the library. Okay. Now just you can drag and drop it. Now the title is structured as Yama dumper. Okay. See, this is the article, the first article, structured as Yama dumper. Their informations, all the informations were there. But still here, few information here it is. Here is there, page is there. But audio number is yeah, it is a conference proceedings I think. Okay. See, we have to go through all these things. Okay, you can add the article through these options also. You can add articles through this Medley web importer. Click here, add it. Not only this, few reference also. You can see here. These few reference were more relevant to your research work. You can click it, you can use it. This option is also available. In various collections like Precast, you can have few collections over here. So now here, here how much text were there. Click all reference. Click here. One tag is there, MSME and August. And I click this August alone. So I have typed August in two keywords, right? Sorry, two articles. Anyone remember? I have typed August earlier in some tag options. If this may be the article, I may go here, click tag option, and I may be adding some tag comment. So later that comment will be added over here. Tag option, authors option. So that easily can separate. So if I click MSME, only one article is there. It has been separated. It has been separated. Yeah, this is about mainly web library, and you can have kind of a notebook options, recently added favorite, trash, or delete articles and collections. Whether you can add a few more collections also, prior groups, and then this is search option. I'm selecting COVID-19, the talk of the day, and you can find here a number of articles. So there are various options based upon the year, document type, journal name, author details, whether it is open access or not. If you click the open access journals, you can easily able to download such articles. Even though you may be fully selecting or downloading the articles from Google Scholar, right? So also you can use these tools like Mendeley, ResearchGate, and Academia, such tools for collecting few articles. You can see here generic open access PDF. You can search relevant to your details. And next we have seen about the data income according to this. This is about library. Then this is also library, yeah, travel library. These are some of the guides were available in elsewhere publications that manager, how to the citations, the desktop citation plugin, prior groups, all these informations were available. They are conducting various programs. I think here I am the mainly advisor program, so I am the mainly advisor. So I will be able to get not 2 GB. I will be able to get some 7 GB. I think few more. I think I will share the link. You can also register it. It's not kind of a difficult task. Just you can register it within 1 month or 2 months. You will be getting a response from them that you are a mainly advisor. Yeah. See, for API, MLA, Harvard, Chicago, there is various guidelines were provided. Just I clicked API style, a basic referencing style, basic in-text citation inside the article, like Michael 2017 or Michael comma 2000 or Michael et al 2017, such options. Okay. Then cite different source types. So that is also another criteria. Then for edited books, name, areas, such options were available. Then how to cite chapters in edited book in APA format. Then other than APA format, then ebook chapter in APA format. All the formats were available over there for APA editions. Similar that in MLA APA, the various formats also were available. Then in yes, this is like premium options. If you want, you can do it. So this is about the career options. You can search the employees, find jobs, you can share your CVs. Okay. So this is the mainly database. Now consider this as one journal. Now I'll search and let you know one journal name engineering success. Okay. For an example, I'm sharing it. When you click this journal and when you scroll down, mainly data sets. View all mainly data sets. Phenomenological history model of corroded RC columns. So they have few data on this topic. See, history curve calibrated results of 103 columns. So they have given all the results of these topics. So when you copy this article title and if you are pasting in Google, most of these title journal were been published earlier. Okay, this is the article, Phenomenological History Model. See, this may be the article, but without this data, this article cannot be worked. Am I right? So this professor has been shared his data in Hindi. His article is in elsewhere. Okay. So what I'll suggest is before publication, try don't share your data everywhere. Okay, I think the word is a little bit slow and one second. I think. See, they have shared this. Okay, shared their results over here. See, these graphs were also available inside the article, but see, it is in doc file. It is in doc file. So depends upon the files. We easily can understand whether it is a XLS file. You will be having some sheets. Okay. So based upon that, you can go through it. Now here already corroded like corrosions. With the corrosions, nearly 90 sorry 103 columns were been tested. So that results were available in this Word file. This Word file. If some researchers they were doing only the experimental part, know about the analytical and other part. If these results or these articles were helpful to you, you should cite these with these data. Okay. You can find in many international journals, the reputed journals, you can find this mainly data sets options. Okay. The next thing is just we have to click this data set options, and someone can tell your own research topic so that we can parallelly check it out. Okay, I think nobody is sharing their research works related to the see for an example some algorithms. Okay, algorithm or prediction. See, if you are searching this mainly data, what I will suggest is scroll it down, and there will be an option like Mendy data. Click that options around. Mendy data. Click here, and data repositories. Okay, now, so try to some COVID-19 data sets. Okay, just I click here. They have added some 72 MB data files. Okay, geography distribution worldwide, various files you can able to see here. But while you are going through all these things, always keep in your mind, don't copy their details, don't copy their values and other things, don't publish on your own. Don't do that. See, these data sets will be helpful you to continue from this part. Many researchers they'll be doing their research from the starting, from the basics. Till this much, few researchers we have done. After this, you start doing it, finding some problem and you start doing it. Okay. So you can go through this similar kind of data sets from which institutes all the data were available over here. So this is one options in mainly desktop options. Advisor we have seen, and this is citation hub. Yeah, this we have seen it. See here, this is the personal. This is the dashboard for job seekers. You click the career option, you'll be having all these options. If you want, you can edit your CV and you can have it maintained all these things. Then I think here the billing option or subscription, I think, as the advisory member, normally everyone, if you go to your subscription file, it will be mentioned 2 GB. But here it is mentioned nearly 7.5 GB for personal library and 50 collaborators, 7.5 GB group spaces. So what I will suggest is you also try to, if you are using Menly, I will suggest you to apply it. You'll get within 1 month in your certificate details and everything to your respective email ID. Okay. Uh, you can add any number of article to your profiles. Okay. Till now is like most of the thing is mainly website and mainly web importer. We have not seen about mainly referencing like desktop, another desktop for Sotoro as well as mainly both we will be learning in the last day. Okay. I think about mainly website. We have if you have any doubt, I think you can uh, just one second, you can ask in the chat box. Creating user ID, password is like it's basic informations. Like you have to put your name. See, they don't help anyone for creating some Facebook or other ID. Like basic informations like your name or email ID or your password. Your password you can use like a dollar symbol or at or other symbols and put some name. First name should be capital, small. I think you have used. Okay, you'll be receiving some email. You have to click that. You have to verify it. Another one thing is, see here, I think I'll share my screen so that. And see, when I click this, see for downloading the Menly desktop, you can click Menly reference, just click here, and this is for Menly reference manager. What Windows? Just I'll copy and I will share it over here. Try to install it. If you are using Chrome, just click here. You can go to extension, Chrome extension. Just search here as Menly. This is the link. So I think just I'll share this link also. If you're using this extensions, okay, just add it so that see you will be browsing few articles like this or see these referenced articles. These reference articles. If you want to add these two article, last two articles also, you can add to the library. I think these articles were more relevant to your research work or not. Keep that always in your mind. Just don't drag and drop all the articles which is necessary or not necessary. Okay. Yeah, I think adding articles from Google Scholar is, once again I let you know. This may be the Google Scholar profile. When you click the citation option, we have three in the bottom, like core options like the text, EndNote, Refman, Refworks. Download Refworks or Refman. Just drag and add it in this library. Add it in these libraries. So all reference recently added. So here this MSME filter is there, so I'm not able to see my article. Just I will delete this. Now when I click all reference, you can able to find all the articles. So Google, if you want to add the Google website for your citation and other purpose, you can use it. Or just you can delete reference. To copy formatted citation, when you are copying formatted citation, if you are pasting, I think I'll open a Word file and you can see it. This may be the Word file. I think some other numbers file. Just I'm copying and just I'm pasting it. You can see it, currently this is in APA 7th edition format. APA 7th edition format. This is over the group. See, in mainly for reference and other purpose, you will be using the Word file, right? So that you'll be learning on Saturday with along with Sotaro. Okay, along with Sotaro. So during that time, we'll be learning few more other options in Menly. Few more other options in Menly. In between, try to install. Try to uh, log in this Menly tool. Try to add few references relevant to your research work. Add your own article. Go to this data sets because recently I was talking to one professors. Okay, so they have published few data over here that is helping so many researchers. See here, just one second. We have seen this, right? Just we'll go back to that. See here, this data, COVID-19 data sets, has been used by views where 26,690 researchers. Downloads were 16,078 people has been downloaded this article. See, 16,000 people has been used or downloaded. They have gone through about this data. Okay. So see now they will be knowing about this contributor or this researchers. Khalid. Okay. His citation will be increased more. See, 16,000 people may be going through at least 1,000. I mean, I'm sure he'll be getting the minimum of 1,000 or 2,000, 3,000 citations will be increased because this much people has been downloaded, right? So whether your work has been useful for somebody, okay. Data should not be wasted. That is the main thing. Your data should not be wasted. You may be done correctly or wrongly because as a researchers, we will be making some small mistakes and we will be doing it. Finally, uh, okay, your supervisor will be asking you to forget about the earlier work, prepare a new thing, and you have to start it. Similar kind of mistakes may be done by somebody, right? In later, so such works you can publish in some normal journals and you can mention the conclusion part based upon this calculation has been done so that we are able to get these results. In future work, this problems will be solved and you will be such a way you have to mention it so that it can helpful to many researchers. Participants, any query regarding the today's sessions? Dear participants, any queries regarding today's topic? See, in-text citations and reference together along with Sotaro and mainly together we will be seeing in the last day. Okay, we'll be having a Word file, we'll be having some sample introduction part of some articles, and we will be learning that.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, for that last day session, what we should download, sir? Now you sent two links. One is the extension, other one is the Mendeley software manager. No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we downloaded it. That's enough, no? So, and I can keep reading my
Uh,
article, so
no,
I
no. Oh,
can
yeah.
explore.
Ma'am, download is enough. Just
Mm,
install it and
mm.
try to add few, create some folders and try to add few articles relevant to
I,
your research works. Like
okay,
for an
okay, sir.
example, yes, some small keywords or similar research works will be there, right?
Okay, okay.
A
So
kind
that
of a
day I can learn both citation and how to prepare reference.
reference.
Is
Yes,
that
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
bibliography?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am. Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Thank you, thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, ma'am. Thank you. I think the no more queries. I think we will meet you all in tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be learning about Sotero, Sotero and their features. Few other options were in Sotero. See, mainly you can search articles, you can download articles because search option is there. Like open access articles, you can download it, and you can use data sets, many data sets. Recently, I was talking to one professor. He's from Triple E. He's doing research in electrical vehicle. Okay, so he is doing some MATLAB and other coding for around some 2.5 years. So it's relevant to his research work, not the same research work. Relevant to his research work, few program or kind of an algorithms or MATLAB programs he's able to find in his Mendeley. So now he has for his application for his research purpose. Now what he is doing is he's doing some changes and he's working. I know many researchers for having some MATLAB or various coding or programming. They takes 2 years, 3 years to prepare that itself. Okay. So why it happened is they'll be working from the starting stage. Already somebody has been completed till this state. Take what is the problem in that, then you go through. Why I'm not able to sign in mainly with my Gmail account? You need, yeah, you can use Gmail account. See, if you are not able to sign in, try to create an account. Uh, Professor, if possible, can you please share your screen, Professor Sandeep, if possible. What I will suggest is create a elsewhere account, elsewhere ID. Not able to sign in with Gmail. Yeah, have you created an elsewhere account earlier, ma'am? If Professor Priyanka or Professor Sandeep, yeah, yeah, I think, yeah, okay. You can like stop presenting, click stop presenting. Yeah. Yes, sir. Click the forget password. Professor Sandeep, sir. You can
Okay.
yeah, click forget password. You'll be receiving some details to your email ID, like code or something else,
Okay.
and change your password and just log in.
Fine.
Or another one option is first you create, go to elsewhere. Sorry, go to Scopus C here. Just 1 second. I will share it so that. Um, See now, I think here my detail is there. Now when I go to this Scopus, see I have not signed in, but in mainly I have signed in. I think Daniel C, right? Yeah, my personal mail ID connected. Scopus preview. If it is go to elsewhere. all belongs to same groups. So here I am not logged in. If you want, I can log in. Because when you are signing in, it will ask you the Scopus login or something. Okay. So I think now, Professor, you
Hello.
can you share? Yeah, yes, Professor, can you share?
It's asking me to create an account with Scopus.
Yeah, I think which means you don't have a Scopus account till now. Am I right?
Okay, correct. I cannot no, go with my Gmail account.
Sir, just one thing. You create a account in Scopus. It's a simple
Okay,
process.
okay,
Just create an account in Scopus, and when you open this mainly easily, it will be open.
fine.
Because see some tools like the RoboScience, Publons, these are all belongs to another groups, and tools like Menly, then SSRN, Social Science Research Networks, Scopus, all these things belongs to some other this elsewhere group.
Okay.
I think one more Professor Priyanka. I think Professor Priyanka, ma'am, have you able to register? Can you able to sign into Menly? Okay.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, actually, we have one more software called Mendeley Desktop. No, what is that significance of that? Because
Ma'am,
I downloaded that also because I don't know which one I should download. Mendeley reference now. So can I uninstall the Mendeley Desktop?
ma'am,
Because
Menly
who I can
desktop. Ma'am, Mendeley desktop is
uh,
mandatory for
okay.
citations and reference. Mendeley desktop.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Actually, mic can't be unmuted. I think during this session because in Google Meet, sometimes you have removed your mic, headphone, or your. In that case, these issues will be there. After starting the sessions, if you are removing the mic or adding, sometimes that issues will be there. Can you rejoin immediately? So because all others they can unmute themselves and they can able to talk.
Sir,
Or
for Zotero tomorrow, should we download any software, sir?
Sotoro, actually Sotoro also you need to download. Sotoro desktop is also there. So tomorrow session I will be sharing that now.
Okay, sir.
Or if possible, I think tomorrow morning I'll be sharing those links in the groups, WhatsApp group, so that you can click and you can download it. Similar option. See how we are having mainly. You see mainly web importer. Sotoro is also there. Sotoro will be a Sotoro connector. I think I will share my screen. I think.
Because if you are ready with the software, it will be easy for us to follow up that side, sir.
Okay, okay, ma'am. See here, Sotoro connector. Same, you can go to Chrome extension. You can, if you are adding, you can add it. Priyanka, ma'am, can you share your screen? Can we see? Also, Sandeep sir, are you able to sign into your Menly account?
Yes, sir. I created an account.
Okay, good.
Giving some search word.
Yep. Can you share your screen?
Yeah, sure.
Hello, Daniel sir.
Yes, browser.
Sir, Dilip Yadav, this side.
Yes,
You give
browser.
one link. Yeah, yeah. You give one link on WhatsApp group about Jain Lib. What is that? Library Genesis Scientific Articles.
See, GenLib is kind of you can download. See how we are using SciHub, right? SciHub
Yeah,
for
yeah.
downloading article. Similar kind of
Uh
link.
huh.
You can download article through that also,
Uh.
GenLib.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank
Thank
you.
thank you, sir. Yeah, I think, sir, I think Professor Sandeep, sir, please wait. I will, ma'am. I think you have created, Priyanka, ma'am. You have created the. This is, ma'am. I think you have opened the Menly desktop. Can you go to the Google Chrome? Yeah, click Chrome. Ma'am, I think you have not added the web importer. You have not added the web importer. Yeah, it is added. You can pin it so that it will be available in the top pin. Yeah, pin it. So just you go to Google Scholar and add some article, search some article, go to the website so that you can add easily. So no, these libraries where it will be taking to Google Scholar library, that store is. Can you click this? Click any one article. Yeah, you can click that. Or you can click the year 2021. Okay, you can click the from the last third one, JSTOR publication, long-term changes here. Can you click now the Menly extensions, sorry, Menly web importer option? No, that is yeah, the next one, the red color, the red color. Can you click the red color one? Yeah. So click the article, long term. Yeah, you can add to Menly. Click add to Menly. It will be added to the Menly library. So you can log in here also in the website also, Menly account. If you are logged in here, you can able to find. But now you go to the desktop. Sometime you may not able to uh, see in Menly desktop because we have to sync it. Can you go to the Menly desktop now? Yeah, it has been added, but few details were not right. Author details. Just click the title, ma'am. Can you click the title? Yeah, author's details. Other informations were not added. See, uh, this is the issues in many journals. Why? Because these journals, if you go to this journal, JSTOR, uh, these journals were not kind of reputed, like from not from the reputed publishers. Okay. In this case, if specifically you want this article must for your research purpose, yeah, you can click, ma'am. You can click that link. You can check whether this art journal like kind of an index. Is there just scroll down and check whether this is belong some kind of an indexed journals. Can you click the journal website, the home button, home. JSTOR. Can you click that? Yeah. Check any options for abstracting and indexing. I think it's look like okay. Let it be. See now, in case informations were not here, what we have to do is go to Google Scholar, search this title, the same title. I think we have same title, and we have seen one option, right? RIS. Yeah, yes, ma'am. Good copy. Click site option. No, yeah, site option. Yeah. That is correct. Yeah, correct. Refworks. Can you download the Refworks? Click it. Just a click. A single click. No, I think, ma'am, you have to download Roughman. Can you click Roughman? Can you please go back? Not go back. The Google Scholar link is open over there. Yeah, kindly click that. Click Roughman. Roughman. Yeah, yeah. Just drag and add in the mainly desktop. Yeah, I think not properly dragged. Um, See, ma'am, can you please 1 second? See, near Sohar. Sohar is there, right? Below Sohar. The second article is there, right? Below that. I think where it is happening. Can you click the second article first? Sohar, can you click that? Can you, I think full screen, right? Yeah, if you just drag and drop to the drop, it will be added. 1 second, I'll check it parallelly. Or click add new option, click add new option. Files from computer or import library. Click import library. Download that RIS. No, ma'am. Actually, we have downloaded one file, right? Click all files. Custom files. Kindly change to all files. All files. Click the first one, Scholar. Open. Yeah, now it is added, right? Now you can click the first Karath. Can you click? Now we can find few information like datas, their names, years were there, right? Can you click that now? Yeah, now name, yeah, page number and other things were there. Can you scroll down? But the PDF which we are when we are seeing, we are not able to find the DOI numbers. digital object identifier numbers you're not able to find. Okay, so what I will be suggest is you can go through these articles, but some journals they'll be asking the DOI numbers. You can have this, but the proper citations may not work. Okay, that is the reason while collecting the article itself, try to uh, go through some reputed journals. Yeah, I can delete it. Delete that. Thank you. See, same thing you can use it mainly desktop, or you can go through the website and also you can do the same.
Sir, sorry, sir. Could you repeat that? Which one is mandatory, sir?
DOI number, digital object identifier. See, some journals. See, you will be preparing your article for some journals, right? So before start preparing your article, you have to download one or two articles which is published earlier. You have to go through what is the referencing style they are following, what is the citations they are following, like whether it is a indexed citations. In the index citations, whether they are following numerical citations or alphabetical. Numerical, which means it will be 1 2 3 4 in brackets will be there, right? 1 2 3 or 5 to 8. These are all numerical citations. And in alphabetical, it will be like Daniel et al 2019. So it will be it will be in brackets. Okay. So these are all alphabetical citations. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
In the reference option for some journals, at last the page number will be there. In some reference, the year will be there at last. But in some journals, DOI number will be there, digital object identifiers. Okay. So in that case, if your article is because see, most of the reputed journals, not most, nearly 99.9% reputed journals, they have these DOI numbers, digital object identifier. See, they have to pay some money and they have to buy this identifier. It's kind of a unique link for the article. See how you are having unique ID like in ORCID ID or in researcher ID, Scopus ID, similar kind of unique ID for the article. Okay, that is DOI number.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Ma'am Priyanka ma'am, can you stop sharing? Thank you. Any more query? Okay, then no more queries. We'll wind up today's sessions. We'll meet you all tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.